Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews that help you make the best buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hard hat neck shade on the market, the LIZMOF Hard Hat Sun Shade. This isn't just another workwear accessory, it's a must-have for anyone spending long hours under the sun. Let's set the stage. You're out working a full day in the heat. Whether you're on a construction site, doing landscaping, gardening, or even cycling. The sun is relentless, and you can feel it on your neck, shoulders, and face. That's exactly where the LIZMOF Hard Hat Sun Shade steps in to change the game. Designed to fit most full-brim hard hats, this sun visor adds a whole new layer of comfort and protection, without compromising on visibility or style. It fits snugly and doesn't shift around while you work, which is essential when you're constantly moving, lifting, and turning. The neck flap is the real MVP here. It extends all the way around the back, providing full coverage for your neck and upper shoulders, key areas that are vulnerable to sunburn. But it's not stiff or uncomfortable. The vertical cut of the fabric ensures it hangs loose without clinging to your skin or causing extra sweat buildup. Even better, the material is moisture-wicking, so it actually helps cool you down instead of trapping heat. The material is tear-resistant and holds up well after multiple uses and washes. It's built to last, which means you're not just buying a disposable accessory, you're investing in reliable protection that's going to serve you throughout the season and beyond. And here's something else we appreciate: versatility. This isn't limited to just construction. Whether you're mowing the lawn, biking on a sunny trail, or supervising outdoor events, this neck shade adapts to your needs. It's unisex, one size fits all, and comes in a neutral gray that looks professional and understated. You'll get two in a pack, which is great for rotation or sharing with a coworker. The reflective strip adds yet another safety element, especially in low light conditions. It's a thoughtful touch that shows LIZMOF is thinking about real-world use, not just aesthetics. So, to wrap it all up, if you're working outdoors and tired of sweating it out with the sun beating down on your neck, the LIZMOF Hard Hat Sun Shade is a smart, affordable solution. It's lightweight, breathable, easy to use, and designed with your comfort and safety in mind. No gimmicks, no overkill. Just a well-made product that does exactly what it promises. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff product breakdowns. Got questions or suggestions for our next review? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.